Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel and I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. I have prepared a video series for you in which we will be discussing all the doshas in birth chart, that means the conjunction or placement of planets in the birth chart when they will give you malefic results, bad results. And we will also be discussing under what circumstances their impact will be very less or negligible. And we will also be discussing the most effective remedies for the same. This video series will help you to find if there is any such conjunctions of planets in your birth chart and what are the best remedies which you have to follow to reduce the impact of such doshas. In this particular video, we are going to discuss Surya Grahan dosha in the birth chart. This dosha is very important to understand as this dosha creates huge impact on the entire birth chart, and if this dosha is there, then the native will face huge ups and downs in his career and it is going to impact the other benefic yogas in birth chart as well. So let's discuss it. What is Surya Grahan dosha? The conjunction of Rahu and Sun or Sun and Ketu in the birth chart form Surya Grahan dosha in the birth chart. This conjunction implies that the birth of the native takes place on the Grahan day of Sun or within a day before or after the Grahan. When we analyze the Surya Grahan dosha, then we have to see in which house this Grahan dosha has taken place, or we can say that in which house the conjunction of Rahu and Sun or Rahu and Ketu is there. Due to this conjunction, the native has to face the negative impact of that particular house in his or her life. Let us consider an example in this birth chart where Surya Grahan dosha is there in the 4th house of birth chart. In this birth chart, Rahu and Sun conjunction is there in the 4th house of birth chart. Then such native will face problems in making his own house, face trouble in purchasing vehicles. Whenever he want to purchase any land, then there are chances that such land will be disputed, or in a later life a dispute will suddenly arise on such land. If such native purchase vehicle, then such native will face problems with such vehicle, or there are chances of theft will happen with such vehicle. Mental stress will always be there at home. Relation with mother of such native will not be so cordial. Health of the mother of such native will always be a mental stress for the native. From the 4th house, Sun and Rahu will aspect the 10th house of birth chart, due to which there will be instability in the career. There are lots of ups and downs in career. There will always be a mental stress related to the career growth of such natives. What will be the impact of Sun Rahu conjunction in all the houses? I will be preparing separate video on this. You can watch that video. That will be of great help to you if you are learning Vedic astrology or even for your self birth chart analysis. We will be discussing the best remedies of this Grahan dosha, and these remedies has already helped thousands of natives and these natives are getting very positive results. For these remedies you have to devote your time for few minutes daily and you will see the negative impact of this Grahan dosha will be reduced or nullified. Now let's discuss in what all circumstances it will give you very negligible results or its impact will be very less on you. When the degree of Sun is 0 to 5 degrees and the degree of Rahu or Ketu is 25 to 30 degrees, in such condition this Grahan dosha will be very less effective on the native. and will give you very negligible negative impact on the life of such native. You can analyze your birth chart and check whether this condition is there, then it will not going to impact you so much in your life. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies for Grahana dosha, which will be very helpful for you in your life and will reduce the negative impact of Grahana dosha in your life. If you visit any astrologer, then they are going to charge you hefty amount for these remedies. And the remedies which we are discussing here are the most effective remedies which are applied on thousands of native and they are benefited on this. However, they have devoted their time and follow these remedies for many years, and these remedies are now become their daily routine as well and are giving them very positive results. So let's move forward and discuss those most effective remedies for these Grahana dosha. You have to note the point that if in your birth chart Sun is the lord of first house, fifth house or ninth house, then you have to perform remedies of Rahu or Ketu only, and remedies for Sun is not required in that case. So this point is very important. So first remedy which you have to perform is you have to chant Rahu Bij mantra daily 108 times after sunset, that is Om Brahm Brim Brom Sairave Namaha. And if you have conjunction of Sun and Ketu, then you have to chant Ketu Bij mantra daily 108 times, which is Om Sram Srim Rom Zai Ketve Namaha. And if you can't chant these mantra, I have mentioned other remedies here as well. You can do those remedies. So remedy number 2, you have to feed dogs or fishes daily after sunset. Remedy number 3, take a coconut on new moon night and after sunset rotate it around your head in anti-clockwise direction 11 times and take a blue colored flower with it. Float both these items in a river or a canal. Remedy number 4, keep a small pot of glass filled with honey in the room where you sleep. Remedy number 5, take a small glass bowl, fill it with water and put a pinch of rock salt in it before sleep. Keep it near your bed. In the morning, throw that water outside your house. Don't throw this water inside your house. This is very important. Remedy number 6, do meditation daily for at least 20 minutes. This will help you in reducing the negative aura created around you due to Sun Rahu conjunction and will help you in generating positive aura. Remedy number 7, drink coconut water at least once a week. Remedy number 8, avoid taking spicy food or deep fried food. It is very important. So that's all about the Grahana dosha in a birth chart. I hope this video is very helpful to you and will definitely help you in reducing the impact of this conjunction in your life. We will be discussing the Chandra Grahana dosha in our next video. What is Chandra Grahana dosha? What will be its impact on the native? Till then, may Almighty bless you always and thanks for watching the video.